Yeah, this potato salad got killed.
Ooh. Now we about to try the banana pudding. It smells amazing. Look.
Taste it. Ooh.
Where's the spoon? I had 2 forks.
Look at my fork here.
How it taste? Excuse me. How it taste? Tastes good. Let me taste it. Okay, taste it, Mama. Taste it. Could you look at her like she crazy?
Why is it so... It's... It got a lot of vanilla in it. It tastes good.
It's cake at the bottom.
Don't waste this. Get all that off that top. Move from on my bed if you don't waste it.
Ooh, that tastes good too. Go to the bottom of it. Hey. See how it's cake? Can you stop? That is so trifling. Wow.
She licked the top.
How is it trifling? Cause it's putting your germs back all over the food.
It's on the lid. It ain't on the food.
What's wrong?
You ain't like it. Say if you ain't like it, say you ain't like it.
Inside. It ain't no banana. The cake. You gonna try it?
It ain't no banana.
Try the cake.
It ain't no purpose of trying the regular banana pudding.
Like,
Well, I don't like bananas in my pudding. I like pudding.
how that one taste?
This one tastes way better than that one. And it got bananas in it.
Okay, now let me hit this one.
Move. That one tastes real good.
If I like this one, I'm keeping it. I like this one, I'm keeping it.
No, you ain't. That's mine. You wanted that.
Let me taste no banana.
Let me try.
There got banana sitting right there.
I hate the strong taste of vanilla.
I like the taste of vanilla. She tripping. Move. Don't take my last cookie.
It's still cooking. And I thought she put cinnamon in it.
This stuff is good.